Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Destiny Ekuma. I'm here at this site at Uwolo, close to Uwolo. This is Usasu Farm Nigeria Limited, which is being under process with the CAC. And this is the structure of the farm. And the work is still ongoing, and within few days from now, it will be done. This is where this farm is going to be contained with animals like snake, pig, goat. They are going to contain this compound. I also want to introduce you to the cassava farm, which is being proposed as a mix of feed to the farm. That is a bit not far from here. Let me take you down to the place so that you can. As you can see, this is the cassava farm that is being proposed for their means of feeding, which will be added to their normal feeding, which they will normally buy for them. This is the cassava farm that is being proposed for them. This is the cassava farm that is going to propose for them. It's a bit, it's about 2 acres of cassava farm. So this will sustain the animals for some months. There are still other cassava farm very close to this place, which is being empowered by this farm.